Firmware is the embedded software that controls your Dell D6000 docking station's operations, like port management and power distribution. Updating firmware is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it patches security vulnerabilities, protecting against unauthorized access and data breaches. For example, version 1.2.4 addresses USB-C data leak vulnerabilities. Secondly, updates ensure stability by fixing bugs that cause connectivity drops or audio glitches. Thirdly, they guarantee compatibility with evolving operating systems like Windows 11 24H2 and Mac OS Sequoia, as well as peripherals using standards like USB 3.2 Gen 2. Finally, updates optimize performance, potentially reducing energy consumption. Dell recommends updating firmware at least quarterly to maintain optimal performance. Not updating can lead to hardware failures or reduced warranty support. Before updating, back up your data to prevent potential corruption from interruptions, though this is rare. Here's how to update your Dell D6000 dock firmware based on Dell's official instructions as of November 2025. Ensure your laptop is connected to the dock and powered on. The process takes 10 to 20 minutes. First, download the Dell Update Utility or Support Assist from Dell's website and ensure your laptop has at least 20% battery or is plugged in. Also back up your data. Open Support Assist, go to My Devices, select the D6000 dock, and check the current firmware version. If it's outdated, proceed to the next step. Search for Dell D6000 firmware update on support.dell.com and download the appropriate .exe or .dmg file. Connect the dock to your laptop via USB-C, run the installer as administrator, and follow the on-screen prompts. The tool will automatically detect the dock and apply the update. Once completed, restart both your laptop and dock, then test the ports to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If any errors occur, consult the Dell forums for solutions. Also, a loose connection can cause issues.